Welcome to this evening calm meditation. Find a position where your body can fully rest. Gently close your eyes and soften your gaze within. Feel the support beneath you holding you with care. Let your shoulders drop and your jaw soften now. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth and release the day. Notice how your body settles a little more each breath. Allow your hands to relax and your belly to be soft. Invite a sense of safety and quiet into this moment. Nothing needs to be fixed right now. You are allowed to rest here. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel your chest rise on the inhale and fall on the exhale. Let your breath be smooth, steady, and unforced. With each out-breath, invite tension to melt away. Sense the weight of your body becoming pleasantly heavy. Relax the muscles around your eyes and forehead. Notice your neck and shoulders loosening with ease. Feel the back, hips, and legs releasing into the surface. Let your feet rest warm and quiet at the edge of awareness. Your breathing is like a gentle tide that always returns. Follow that tide for a few easy cycles. Allow calm to spread through every part of you. Now imagine a quiet shoreline at dusk. The sky is deep blue with soft violet along the horizon. Waves move in slow, regular patterns that soothe the mind. The sand is cool and smooth beneath your bare feet. A faint breeze carries the scent of salt and night flowers. The first stars appear above the water and feel reassuring. Moonlight paints a silver path across the surface. You sit comfortably near the water's edge and feel safe. The rhythm of the waves matches the rhythm of your breath. Each inhale brings in cool peace and clear softness. Each exhale releases noise, effort, and leftover concerns. Notice how the body becomes lighter with every wave. A gentle warmth gathers at your heart like a small lantern. It spreads through your chest, your arms, and your hands. The warmth moves down your back, hips, legs, and feet. You are quiet inside, steady, and deeply supported. Let the scene hold you as the evening grows more still. Trust that rest is forming within you now. Silently repeat these simple evening affirmations. I am safe in this moment. I allow my body to relax completely. I release the day and welcome deep rest. My mind grows quiet and clear. My breath guides me toward peaceful sleep. My heart is calm and open to ease. I trust the night to restore me. I receive rest with gratitude and softness. I am ready to sleep well tonight. Peace fills my body, my mind, and my night. Begin to return with the same gentle pace. Feel your breath flowing easily and quietly now. Notice the weight of your body resting and supported. Bring a soft smile to your face and to your heart. Carry this calm with you as you drift into sleep. Good night.